Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you how I personally like to maintain my Dell Inspiron 7559. So obviously the first thing that I do is I unplug all the ports, anything that's plugged into the ports on this laptop. I plug it out, close the lid on my laptop, and then I put it on a soft surface like my bed. So now taking a close look at the vents, you can see here there's a nice amount of dust buildup. Now what I usually do to get this dust is I vacuum it. So what you're going to need for this is a powerful vacuum. Now I already have a powerful vacuum, so basically what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be sucking up all that dust. Now some people like to use compressed air for this. Now I strongly advise against using compressed air because all it basically does is it just pushes the dust inside the laptop. Now what you want to do is you want to get the dust out of the laptop in order to make those fans spin properly, and the airflow, you want to get that nice, you want to get a good airflow in within your laptop so that the fans don't overwork. Now I like to start with the bottom vents. As you can see, I am putting my hand there because I am creating a little bit of a barrier between the metal pipe of the vacuum and the plastic because I don't want to scratch the plastic on my laptop. So it's very smart, very good idea to create a barrier between the laptop and the vacuum. So the idea is you basically want to get as close as possible without scratching your laptop. I like to use my hand, but you can use anything as long as there's suction. You're basically good. I'd recommend going over each vent for about 2 to 3 minutes just to get all that dust out. So now once I'm done with the bottom vents, I go ahead and flip my laptop and I start with the side vents, with the back side vents. And basically what I do here is I sort of cuff the vents with my hand. I want to create a nice suction, and I like to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes per vent. After that, I move on over to the left vent. And don't be afraid to go right to left, side to side, just to get all that dust out. And I like to work on that for 2 to 3 minutes. And don't be afraid to go over some of the vents that you've already done. Now what I like to do every few months or so is I'll unscrew the bottom lid and I'll vacuum the actual lid just because you can't get to it otherwise. After that, what I'll usually do is I'll check on my fans, and if they're really dirty, if they're really filled up with dust, what I'll do is I'll take a Q-tip and I'll actually clean out each fin on the fan. And from my experience, this is honestly the best way to maintain your laptop, regardless of what model or make you have. If you vacuum those vents every once in a while, every month or so, then you'll most definitely increase the lifespan on your laptop. Just make sure to do it somewhere soft so that you don't get a bunch of scratches on your laptop, preferably a bed. Also, if you do decide to pop off the lid on your laptop, just be careful because there are a lot of delicate parts. You don't want to get any electric static shock on the parts or just have anything fall in there. So be careful. And honestly, you don't really need to take that extra step in cleaning out your laptop. You can just vacuum the vents and you'll be fine doing it that way. Anyway, that is going to be it. If you did find this video helpful, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.